Hey, babe, cutting up some tomatoes?
Yeah, these are for our lunch. We're heading out to Lake Mead today.
Awesome.
Yeah, come with us.
We made it to Hemenway Harbor. This is the only launch ramp that's still open on Lake Mead. With water levels getting so low, all the other ramps have been closed. We saw signs that showed at times there are 3-hour waits, but today we got on in 15 minutes. The park rangers have been working to keep this one open, but it was a little scary launching from here. The angle of the ramp is so shallow, you really have to back your vehicle far into the water. I backed in as far as I felt comfortable and then had to really push our boat off the trailer, but we got it launched. And of course, we have to have some bonus footage. As we were leaving the lake, we saw these awesome cars go by, and then we got this great view of the Las Vegas Valley. Have a great afternoon, everybody.